Hello, welcome back to MATHy 1. In this video, we will be discussing about the scientific notation. Scientific notation is a convenient way of expressing very large or very small numbers. It is written in the form a times 10 raised to n, where a is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. So, ginagamit lang natin si scientific notation kung si A ay mas mababa kay 10 or equal at mas mataas kay 1. Let us have the examples. Let us answer example 1. Write 67 million in scientific notation. Always remember, ginagamit natin ang scientific notation if A is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. Okay? So, we have the steps. First step, place the decimal point after the first non-zero digit. Okay, so lagay natin, we have 67 million. And then, where is the decimal point? Kapag whole number, ang decimal point ay palaging nasa dulo. So, nandun siya. Mag-move tayo from the decimal point o i-move natin yung decimal point natin ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kasi A is less than 10 but greater than or equal to 1. Okay? So, makukuha natin is 6.7. Now, count the number of places you have moved the decimal point and multiply 10 raised to that exponent. So, nabilang na natin, we have the 7 places, then imumultiply daw natin siya sa 10, o yung 6.7, and then i-raise natin yung 10 sa exponent kung ilan tayong nag-move, kung ilang beses tayo nag-move. So, if the movement of the decimal point is going to the left, the exponent is positive. In this case, kapag going to the left, the exponent is positive. Therefore, we have the answer of 6.7 times 10 raised to 7. Again, 67 million is equal to 6.7 times 10 raised to 7. Next, example 2. Write 0.00000000312 in scientific notation. So, parang napakahirap basahin noong given decimal numbers. Now, kapag kaganyan, malaking tulong yung scientific notation. Okay, again, same as the rule of example 1, place the decimal point after the first non-zero digit, and let us move it from the decimal point. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, nag-move tayo ng 10. So, that's why we have 3.12. So, nag-move tayo from right or from left to right. Now, count the number of places you have moved the decimal point and multiply 10 raised to that exponent. If the movement of the decimal point is going to the right, the exponent is negative. Okay? Therefore, the given number is equal to 3.12 times 10 raised to negative 10. Again, we have 3.12 times 10 raised to negative 10. Kaya siya naging negative kasi nag-move tayo from left to right. Next, let's move on to the another example. Write 4.2 times 10 raised to 8 in decimal form or standard form. So, dito ang gagawin naman natin, yung scientific notation, i-change natin siya into a decimal form or standard form. Now, first step, move the decimal point to the right the same number of places as the exponent, adding zeros as necessary. So, from 4.2, yung decimal point natin, magmo-move daw tayo ng 8 kasi ang exponent ay 8. So, ginawa natin, if the exponent is positive, move the decimal point to the right. Therefore, 4.2 times 10 raised to 8 is equal to 420 million. So yung scientific notation, change natin siya into a decimal form or standard form. Kaya nakuha natin yung 420 million. Okay, so now let us have example 4. Write 5.31 times 10 raised to negative 4 in decimal form or standard form. So, paano natin i-change ang scientific notation into a decimal form or a standard form if we have negative sign on the exponent? So, same rule, move the decimal point to the left kasi negative yung exponent natin, the same number of places as the exponent adding zeros as necessary. So, we have 5.31, move tayo o i-move natin yung decimal point natin to the left and then replace 0. Now, if the exponent is negative, move the decimal point to the left. So, ganun yung ginawa natin kanina. Therefore, 5.31 times 10 raised to negative 4 is equal to 0.000531. So, na-move na natin yung decimal point natin ng 4 na beses, kaya nakuha na natin or na-change na natin siya into a decimal form or standard form.